Leaders of 16 Rhode Island cities and towns came together today announcing a new lawsuit against the governor and legislative leaders.
The suit is trying to reverse a controversial state law that allows union contracts to continue even if they expire. Tonight, we're hearing from the head of a local labor union on the law.
Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado joins us now live in studio with which cities and towns are suing. Steph?
The mayors and town managers who are part of this lawsuit say they want the courts to overturn that continuing contracts law that passed earlier this year. From Providence to Woonsocket to Burrillville, 16 city and town leaders suing Governor Gina Raimondo, House Speaker Nicholas Mattiello, and Senate President Dominic Ruggiero over the law that allows public sector union contracts to continue past their expiration dates while a new deal is still being negotiated.
As we all know, it makes it astronomically harder to get concessions during difficult financial times.
This new law creates a floating finish line, or should I say an imaginary finish line, to all of our labor contracts.
I think it's kind of a case of sour grapes. I really don't get it.
Bob Walsh, head of the NEA Rhode Island Teachers Union, says the bill codified what was already standard practice during negotiations.
It makes no sense to me for them to spend hard-earned taxpayer dollars on a lawsuit that will go nowhere and is ultimately frivolous.
But the municipal leaders say the law takes away local control, ultimately hurting taxpayers. The leaders of East Greenwich and Woonsocket say the law is already applying to union contracts currently under negotiation. Raimondo did veto a previous version of this legislation, but the mayors were unable to convince her to veto it this year.
Obviously, we don't agree with that position. It's a pretty narrow bill, and we're prepared to defend it.
Mattiello and Ruggiero issued a joint statement also standing by that contracts law, which they say protects wages and benefits for municipal workers. To see all the cities and towns involved in the lawsuit and why some of them are sitting out, head to WPRI.com. I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.